Tonight's speaker, Karen Armstrong, is a person who has contributed in a remarkable way to illuminating Islam, Judaism, and Christianity, and indeed understanding all of the great religious traditions. Ladies and gentlemen, looking into the future, I think one of the greatest challenges for the entire world will be finding ways in which we can all achieve a deeper understanding of the other and what makes each of us distinct as human beings and as communities. To achieve this vital goal, reflective, creative, and empathetic thinkers and writers will be critically important. Tonight, we are privileged to hear from one of their most respected voices, Karen Armstrong. Thank you.
Why do we need pluralism? Well, just let's take a look at the world. It seems to me that at the moment, what we're seeing is a kind of disease of nationalism, possibly nationalism in its last gasp. The nation state, which is so familiar to us now, is a fairly new creation. It couldn't be achieved until modern communications enabled all members of society to get to know about people far distant from them in their own countries. But very early in the process of the nation state, which helped us all in this country to create industry and mobilize the nation for industry, but very early, a British historian, Lord Acton, made a chilling prediction. He said that the emphasis in the nation state on ethnicity, culture, and language would make it very difficult for people who did not fit the national profile. A lot of this is due to ego. What the religions all tell us, I've been writing a book about scripture at the moment in all religious traditions, and they all insist that enlightenment insists on overcoming the ego, letting the ego go. Nationalism is about ego. It's about swelling the ego. And often that means excluding the other, as Lord Acton pointed out. But this is becoming worrying. You remember when the Berlin Wall came down, there was dancing in the street. This time, during the last presidential election, people were cheering at the prospect of a wall being built between the United States and Mexico. I found this helpful, and I hope you find it helpful too. Do not praise your own faith so exclusively that you disbelieve all the rest. If you do this, you will miss much good. Nay, you'll fail to realize the real truth of the matter. God, the omnipresent and omniscient, cannot be confined to any one creed. For he says in the Quran, "Wheresoever ye turn, there is the face of Allah." Everybody praises what he knows. His God is his own creature. And in praising it, he praises himself. Consequently, he blames the beliefs of others, which he would not do if he were just, but his dislike is based on ignorance.